Myra Ancient City, Antalya. The ancient city of Myra, located in and around today's Demre district center, was founded on the plain of the same name. The connection between the city and the sea was provided by the navigable canal to the west of the Myros River, Demre stream. Sea transportation and trade of the region was also carried out from Kaleücagiz port. It is located on the other side of the canal. The ancient city of Myra is especially famous for its Lycian period rock tombs, Roman period theater, and Byzantine period Santa Nicholas Church, Santa Claus.
Welcome to the Haliscelife channel. In this part of our trip is the ancient city of the Myra in Demre. I will show you the historical ruins here. I'm here the first time. As far as I can see, it is similar to the ruins in the whole Mediterranean region. The construction, the stones are the same. As you see behind me, the ancient city, there's a theater and there are many cemeteries dug into the rock around it. It means the people were buried here in the rock in the past. Let's visit the ancient city together and then we go to the other ancient city to visit. It is just close here. See you. Dear friends, first I want to show you the cemeteries. They make these cemeteries in the rock. It's very interesting, really interesting. And as you see behind me, there are like a house. Yeah, they make the cemeteries. They I see first time for also. I think after that they put it here. Yeah, really interesting. Let's see the other parts.
Rock tombs, Lycian inscriptions and coins, Myra's at least BC. They show that it has existed since the 5th century. According to the information given by Strabo, Myra, one of the 6 big cities of the Lycian League, is referred to as Myr in the Lycian inscriptions. The 2nd century BC is the period when Myra witnessed a great development. In the city, which was the metropolis of the Lycian League, many buildings were built and repaired with the help of rich Lycian people. During the Byzantine period, Myra became one of the leading cities in terms of religion, as well as administrative aspects. Its fame, which has reached today, is the name of Santa Nicholas, Santa Claus. It owes that he was the bishop of the city in the 4th century, and that after his death, he reached the rank of saint and built a church in his name. Since the 7th century, Myra lost its importance due to earthquakes, floods, alluviums brought by the Demre stream, and Arab raids, and turned into a village in the 12th century. Today's ruins consist of the theater on the southern skirt of the Acropolis, and the rock tombs on both sides. According to the researches, it is possible to come across the ruins of the Hellenistic, even the 5th century BC city walls, on the Acropolis Hill, and its surroundings, apart from the Roman period walls, which are in very good condition today. Located on the southern skirt of the Acropolis, the theater reflects the characteristics of a well-preserved Roman theater with its rows of seats, and the stage building. The stage building is standing up to half of the 2nd floor. There are embossed or flat rock tombs on both sides of the theater.
Yes, friends, now I came to the theater, and really, if I compare with the theater in Side, this is exactly same structure, really same structure. And here, in this view, it is a little bit different, but how they built, it is the same. Yes, friends, the theater was built leaning against the mountain behind. I think a lot of stones was saved in this way. The stones used are too big. It was difficult to carry such large stones here during the construction. As far as I can see, the theater really big. It is both wide and high. There are a few other tourists beside me. As far as I heard from their conversation, they are either Russian or Ukrainians. For those who love history, I can recommend them to visit these places in order to learn who lived in these regions in the past, to learn how people lived then. The fact that big theaters have been built in short distance shows that people gave importance to entertainments in the past. Yes, as I mentioned before, the tubes made of the stones are very interesting. There are hundreds of tubes. Very nice carving art was used on the other surface of the tubes dug into the rocks. Another reason is that you should come here to see these tubes. Let's go down and see there as well. When I saw the stone structure, the seated theater come to my mind. It's the same. The names written on the door, of course, I don't know. I don't understand what was written there. Since I know, since I don't know the Greek language. But if there is someone among the audience who can understand what was written there, please write them in the comments below so we can learn as well. As you see, a large civilization has fallen into ruins. I think such structures need to restore and brought back to the humanity. It is really very pity. Totally, the construction of the buildings is ruins. I wish such structure will be restored again, and we see how they lived in their time, what they did in their time, that we learn everything, and I mean, if the government make reconstruction or build, restore again, I am sure then millions of people come to see the life, the structure before how they lived. Now I came to the in front of the theater. Now you see complete the theater, and behind. Now, friends, I came to here to show you the theater exactly now behind of me. And you see, we today we see the complete the theater and the bombs. I think it is here. I see not too much, but maybe 100, maybe 1,000 booms. Yeah. The people in that time they put their dead inside of stones. Maybe there is a reason. I don't know why they make it, but maybe the death is very important for them, and they have a house from stone for them. That's why it is interesting, really interesting. Then maybe you can come also here and you can see with your own eyes, and you can imagine how they do, how they did. It is a good idea that I come here, and I am really happy to be here. At least I see the pastime, how the people build such a structure, such a theater, and then it is really good. It's really good. I am really happy to be here. Now I'll go to the other places in near here, because my way up to the Izmir is continuing. That's why in each place I will stay, and I will see how and what they built in their time. And I hear there are another one near here. Now I will go there, and I'll be I'll visit the other ruins. So now we will see there in the other place. So see you later. Yes, friends, we came to the Kaleücagiz village. Now I will show you this village. Let's listen to its history from artificial intelligence while visiting the village.
The village of Ücagiz, Tymyasa, with a view worthy of a postcard, is indisputably a village worth seeing, located between Kaş and Demre. Tymyasa means three mouths, aptly named as the village has three gateways to the Mediterranean. Tymyasa was a Greek fishing village known as Tymyasa in ancient times. Due to its landlocked location, the village was the safest place for sailors to take shelter from the strong sea waves. Today, Tymyasa is a popular holiday destination. Much of its charm comes from the surrounding historical ruins, olive farms, and fishermen's houses. It is now possible to reach this quaint little village by car, thanks to road access, which is the only road to the beach in the Kekova region. Gillets and yachts are still the preferred mode of transportation, and boats are usually anchored in the port area. In 1990, the village was given the status of Special Environmental Protection Area. This means there are limitations on construction work and expansions. As a result, the idyllic village has preserved its authentic nature and historical charm. For those interested in Lycian history, ancient ruins can be found scattered around the village. Tymyasa, which can be reached from the right side of the harbor by a narrow path, is especially worth seeing. Here you will find a necropolis, grave, and Lycian sarcophagi, stone coffins, mostly from the Roman Empire period. Little is known about the inscriptions, BC 4. There are signs showing that it is dated to the 19th century. Visitors staying longer may even be lucky enough to enjoy a beautiful sunset. Tymyasa is a suitable stopover before or after visiting Simena Castle and Kekova Sunken City. The destinations are so close that when you look from the top of the Simena Castle, which is 45 meters above sea level, you can look across the bay and see the small wooden and stone houses, restaurants, and pensions of Tymyasa. There are many activities in this area. Attracted by the crystal clear, blue waters, visitors love water sports like canoeing. Take advantage of the village's smallness and wander the few quaint little streets that make up the village. Or grab a drink while enjoying the scenic views at a harborside restaurant before heading out in search of a refreshing ice cream. Tymyasa, nature, history, and the Mediterranean in one place.
Here are the stone cemeteries. Friends, these are the famous stone tombs. Yes, we have seen these two. They look alike inside, but it is this stone carving that I am curious about. How did they carve this stone out of it? Each stone, each one is engraved. Someone opened the top. He was looking for something for sure. I really don't know if he found something or not. Here it is. There is a hole. Each one, the covers of each are rotated. Heads of each one were opened. Look, this one is also turned outside. Of course, they searched for something in it. So, if there was anything, I don't know. They made a fugitive search. Here's what it says. Of course, I don't know Greek. I only if any of you knows Greek or an unseen language, you can read it and know what it is. This top were special and was made accordingly. There is something at the bottom. Look, it's an interesting cemetery. Is it your kind of or something? Is it your kind or something? So there is definitely something here. Let me show you from apart now. I don't know. It is still readable. Look like is
Ama ben
someone
tahmin
special,
kapalı olduğunu belki
a
yeni
beautiful
yaptılar
top.
yine.
It still looks closed, but
Taşlı'da
I'm not
zamanında
guessing it is closed.
Türkler işte buraya gömmüşler.
Maybe they closed it
Cennet.
back.
Onlar
Once
için
upon a
artık
time,
cennet diyelim.
they buried the dead there. Let's say
Toprak.
it is heaven for them now.
İşte burası da
Maybe the
Artık
family
nerede kalmış?
grave, I don't know.
suyun
This
içinde kalmış.
city
İşte. Bu şey
that is now
şehir-
submerged into
bu
the
şehir
water.
resmen suyun içinde
The
geçer.
city is officially in the water, friends. Something different and interesting, but
Değişik,
here it is in the
ilginç
water.
şeyler ama
It is little hard to see the gold now, really.
altını
But
şimdi
once upon a
görmekteler.
time there was a city
Ama
here.
zamanında burada bir şehir varmış.
According to the
Bilgilere
information,
göre büyük bir şehir.
it was a big city.
Zamanla
This
işte suyun
place
altında kalmış
has
burası.
been underwater over time.
Anladın mı? Başka gidecek yeri var mı acaba?
Do you have any other place to go, or it is the last? It is like the
Aynen,
last
burası son
one
gibi.
here. Now it must be.
Yoksa var mı?
Now it must
Görünüyor ama.
have been a
Şimdi bu
natural
doğal
stone.
taştı herhalde. Bu taşı
They
bunlar
curved
oyup
this stone
burayı
and
bunlar işte
made
mezarlaştırmışlar arkadaşlar.
tombs.
Ve burası da son.
Tombs.
Evet, burası da
And
son.
there is the end of the road.
İlerisinde
Yes,
başka yol
this
yok.
is the end. Unfortunately, the road ends
Merak
here.
ettiğim
I am wondering
bu adamlar bunu
how these guys carved the stone, or are the stones not hard,
taşı mı oydular yoksa
or were the stones
ya bu
not
sert,
hard?
sert değil mi acaba bu kayalar?
How did they
Nasıl
cure?
oydularsa
It is not
çok merak ettim.
really what easy
Yani
either.
oyulacak bir şey de değil
So
burası. Sweet. It's really sweet, yeah? You can eat this. It is very sweet. You can try to. Oh, okay. I try one more. Yeah. Okay.
yes, friends, now we have been already in Kaleücagiz. Next city is the Demre on Göcek. We will see us in Demre and Göcek. Now, bye bye. See you.